change that alarm.
Just give me 5 more minutes.
Hello? Who is this? Hello? Who is this? My worst nightmare. What? Why are you calling me? Who is this? What are you talking about? Fifth grade? Who is this? Stop playing. Who is this? Who is this?
Put it on speaker. Hello?
Well, look who we have here.
Who the fuck is this?
Now, is that language necessary?
Yo, don't call back this number again.
I would take that back if I were you. Look outside.
Look outside.
I'm coming for you.
Hey. Grab my phone and call 911.
Babe, there's no service. Fuck, babe.
Babe, you gotta calm. Babe, pull yourself together. All right? Pull yourself together. Okay?
We gotta get in the closet.
Babe. Jesus Christ, he stink! No, man! Jesus Christ, director! Director, can't find him because that dirty button stink, dog!
See, I'm tired of telling y'all that Jason Facey's not a real actor. You should have kept going, okay? I was so into my character that I got nervous in real life and farted. That's where the fart came.
She did what?
But they were finding it in the
I'm just saying, keep it professional.
Okay,
Jesus, give me swallow I do it.
I've said it once and I'll say it again. Jason Facey is not a professional. You should have stayed in character.
What do you mean still in character?
You should have stayed in character.
Without the stinking battery, you want me to stay in character?
okay, okay, wait, calm down, guys. What is... I thought we were gonna have an interpreter for this Jamaican thing.
Please understand, I'm a method actress, okay? And when I get nervous in real life, my stomach bubbles up, and then, you know, I just did a little fart. It's okay.
Where in the script was that director? Method? That's not a method, that's a method gas!
Oh, okay. Okay.
And you should have stayed in character.
Director!
I'm just tired of this unprofessionalism, okay?
Kill her first!
We already...
Make the man outside, kill her first!
Can you do me a favor? Tell Crafties no more daring, please. Guys, calm down for a second. We have to
There's something right with the belly, my girl. Exorcism and them something even perform. You need a holy water.
It was a scary situation.
Let me see the belly bang. Jesus Christ, director, this is why you...
Okay, guys, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's just okay. All right. Man, guys, it's not. Oh, damn! I smell it. Oh, cut! Oh Lord, it's in my mouth.
Babe.
This is exactly why. When
are you gonna change the alarm?
This is why it's so
Hold
hard
on.
to shoot with her because,
Babe, when you gonna change that alarm?
like, who wake up that angry? Like, me too happy if I wake up like that.
Babe, when you gonna change that alarm? I'm just trying to give you options, babe. When are you gonna change that alarm? Babe, when are you gonna change that alarm?
People,
Babe, when are you gonna change the alarm? When are you gonna change that alarm? Which one you want?
at this at the moment you get a Will Smith hand and you just say, yo, get out.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Oh my god, there's a scary black man.
Cut.
Yeah. Go on. Yeah. Rhino. Rhino dance. Rhino dance. Rhino dance.
Action. Sorry,
Babe!
sorry.
That was my
good.
best work.
That was really good. Oh, fair tell me this some weird things like that that mess up with yo. Cut the fuck in the head.
Me? What am I?
Action.
Alright, wait, cut. Hold on.
Please do subscribe to the channel so you can see when our other ones are coming out. The next one is going to be crazy. It's going to be fire. And there's so much more ideas with this that we want to do. So be on the lookout for those. But first, you must like the video. Please do like the video and do subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Share it among your friends, you know what I'm saying? Also, please comment and let us know what was your favorite part of Cut Cut Cut. What do you want to see more of? What kind of scenes you want to see? Because there's millions of different kind of scenes that we can do. And also, just let us know you want to see us add more aspect to it, more people, more characters, and all that stuff. Also, we're looking for other people as well to be a part of it. So if you're in the Los Angeles area and you want to be a part of Cut Cut Cut, please do leave us a comment or send us an email at faceyj21@gmail.com. We are looking for more people to be a part of it, from production people, people who know how to operate camera, people who know how to edit, people who are good with audio, to be a part of the crew of Cut Cut Cut. Also, we're also looking for more actors as well. You can put this as part of your reels, as well as you can, have something to post on your page as content. You know what I'm saying? We want to get people involved in this. Again, guys, please subscribe to the channel, Cut 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 Cut, and be on the lookout for the next one. Tell a friend, share it, tell your auntie, your grandmother, your cousin, because Cut 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 is the next big thing on YouTube, probably one day on your TV. Woo!